Today's video, I am going to teach you how to add flight details in Google Calendar automatically. If you travel often, this feature can save you from manually entering flight numbers, departure times, and arrival details. It lets Google Calendar pull confirmed booking information straight from your Gmail and place it on your calendar, so you are always up to date. Start on your computer by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in to the same Google account that receives your flight confirmation emails, since Calendar can only create events from messages in that specific inbox. Next, look to the top right of the calendar page and click the gear icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This opens a full settings page with a navigation panel on the left. In that left-hand menu, find and click Events from Gmail. This section controls whether Calendar is allowed to create events based on your messages. Here, check the box labeled Show Events Automatically Created by Gmail in My Calendar. With this box turned on, Calendar can automatically add flight events as your confirmation emails arrive, filling in useful details like airline, flight number, departure and arrival times, and even gate changes if your airline sends an update email. You may see a prompt to enable smart features in Google Workspace. Go ahead and turn those on if asked. Smart features allow Google to read the structure of booking emails like flights, hotels, and restaurant reservations so it can extract the relevant details and build precise events for you. This processing is automated and designed to recognize standard booking formats. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same settings to adjust or turn it off. Once this is enabled, you don't need to do anything else. When a new flight confirmation lands in your Gmail, Calendar creates an event automatically and places it on the correct date with the appropriate time zone. If your airline sends a revised itinerary, Calendar updates the existing event to reflect the new details, reducing the chance you'll miss a change. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind: this only works with emails in Gmail for the account you are using with Calendar. If you are on a work or school account and don't see these options, your organization's administrator may have restricted them. Also, the visibility of these automatically created events follows your calendar's sharing settings, so adjust those if you want to keep travel details private. That's all you need to turn on automatic flight entries in Google Calendar. Thanks for watching.